Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and this is me when I was in the front yard picking some blackberries off the bushes. Since it's berry season, we always pick them fresh off the bushes and put them in bags and have them all year round. And since these blackberries are growing, I was like, why waste them? Let's use them for making a dessert. This recipe includes all-purpose flour, oat milk, cocoa powder, white chocolate chips, sugar, pink salt, pure vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 1 stick of butter, and most importantly, fresh blackberries. Preheat your air fryer toaster oven to 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Break 4 eggs into the bowl. This adds moisture, richness, and structure to the batter. Plus, eggs contribute to the fudgy texture we love in brownies. Whisk the eggs in the bowl until frothy. Now that the eggs are nice and frothy, pour 1.5 cups of sugar into the bowl of whisked eggs. I'm using organic rock cane sugar, but you could also use caster sugar. Now that the sugar is in the bowl, whisk for a further few minutes until all the sugar is dissolved. Once that sugar has dissolved, take that stick of butter and turn it into a golden liquid by putting it in the microwave for a minute and adding it to the bowl. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract into the bowl. This adds a rich and aromatic flavor to enhance the taste of the chocolate. Always adds a nice flavor. Give those ingredients a good whisk in the bowl. Alright, now let's focus on the dry mix. But remember, we've already taken care of the sugar. So, let's gather 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of cocoa powder, and a sprinkle of pink salt. Now, it's time to sift these dry ingredients into the wet ones, like a party in a bowl. Then, we'll whisk it all up and let the flavors do their happy dance. When making brownies from scratch, all-purpose flour is used because it provides structure and texture to the brownies. Cocoa powder in brownies adds that rich, chocolatey flavor we all love. It's what gives brownies their signature taste and deep, dark color. So, it's a key ingredient for making delicious homemade brownies from scratch. Alright, into the oven it goes. Let it sit in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. While we wait, I'm going to start by making the ganache. Grab a bowl and add 1 1/4 cups of white chocolate chips and a little spoonful of butter to let it melt a little and add richness and flavor. Microwave it for 30 seconds 5 times and use 1/4 cups of oat milk to make it a little more creamy. Or you can use heavy cream, but I'm using oat milk to make this dish unique. Now, toss the blackberries into the pot and gently crush them. This helps release the juices and flavors from the blackberries, infusing them into the ganache. With the blackberries crushed, let's stir in the puree mixture. Make sure you stir until the ganache is the desired consistency. Once that's done, transfer the blackberry ganache into a bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to chill. This allows to cool down and set, which helps it thicken and become more spreadable. Entonces, se trata de lograr la textura y el sabor perfectos para tu ganache de moras. Una hora más tarde estará listo el brownie con la ganache fría. I'm so excited to taste how the flavors come together and party on my palate. Ahora el momento de la verdad. The brownies have a rich, chocolatey base with a tangy twist from the blackberry ganache. This creates a symphony of sweet and slightly tart flavors that's absolutely irresistible. If you're wondering how to say blackberry brownies in Spanish, you say brownies de moras. Brownie is the same in Spanish because it's one of those delicious treats that has a universal name. En todo caso, thanks for watching and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.